Thing you want to grab is a foam roller. So the other muscle, when tight, that big lat muscle that sits here, and then one of your rotator cuff muscles, your teres major, they attach into, once again, that shoulder joint. And if they're tight, they're gonna pull down and once again dump that shoulder forward. So we're gonna wanna release that. So you're gonna take your roller and you're gonna get it up into this position here. And when we're on that, we're just gonna pulsate back and forth and then go through some shoulder mobility, some shoulder movement as we're on it. So get your roller, you're gonna get down, find that spot. So I'm right in that muscle and I'm just gonna pulsate back and forth and I'm gonna rotate backwards as I do that. And then I'm gonna come forward as well. So just nice and smooth. As that starts to feel better, then I'll stop and I'll go through some active release. So I'm going through the range I'm trying to find. So I'm getting these tissues to release a little bit so I can have greater range. Spend about a minute to 2 minutes going up and down, and then about 10 to 15 forward backwards with the shoulder.